It's Master Coach Aaron Guyett, and I'm bringing you number 20, the benefit of battle ropes, number 20. Awesome for endurance. Awesome for endurance. So endurance is the ability to continue moving, right, while staying in that aerobic zone or that aerobic metabolic pathway. We know if we go into lactic or alactic or the glycolytic cycle, right, and bring that to its end, or the phosphogenic cycle and bring that to its end, then we're done, right? We can't produce that output anymore. We can't produce that force anymore. So we keep the force sub-max and we go long distances, over 2 minutes, right? Well over 2 minutes, or we have lots of work and very little rest, right? So we can go into oxygen debt, but we don't ever bring ourselves to failure, right? That's not the goal. Now, sometimes when you're training for aerobic capacity or endurance, you will hit your end. You will find the brink of your abilities, right? But I could just keep moving, right? And I could go lower body, get lower body involved in it. I could skip, right? I can go in and out. I can go circles and just keep moving to build that aerobic capacity, build that endurance, right? It's going to be mental endurance as well as body endurance, just being able to keep going, right, for longer periods of time. And this will actually help stimulate your recovery, right? So this does put stress on the system. However, this stress in particular, because it's such low output, right, it's not jacking the CNS as much, it's not forcing you to do as much metabolically after the workout. So we tend to actually get into our recovery levels, and it's great for the heart too. Recovery levels a lot faster and recover a lot faster. So awesome for endurance. Battle rope benefit number 20. Boom, enjoy, make your next one your best one.